manipulating the box in space like this is maybe the best thing that you can do to really enhance your understanding, to really enhance your ability to understand space intuitively. And feel free to ask questions. And so one of the things that I like to do here is create these snakes made of boxes. Right? Here we go. And this kind of like, it breaks you free from the locked in thought, locked in idea that you have of perspective. And it forces you to not think about perspective as you may know it, as vanishing points and that sort of thing. And to really become super intuitive with your form. There are many ways to practice this, and I think it's very important that you know a little bit of the ways that you can do this. Another way that is very interesting that you can try is make some kind of a tower like this here. And this is a bit of a harder one, to be honest, because you really have to think how to make it appear as though these things sit atop of one another, like so. When you do something like this, you will soon find that you go from looking up at things, at boxes, to looking down at boxes. So maybe you will find that at some point you hit your horizon line, like so. And then maybe it will go flat for a second. And then you will slowly start to see the top of your boxes. Right? Hello, Rodori. So doing something like this can really help you enhance your spatial intuition, let's call it. And you can continue and continue. So like one very good practice routine that you can do is start every practice session with maybe 10 minutes of doing something like this. The other thing that in regards to the box that I want to show you before we finish off with non-organic with sort of like hard surface form is slicing. Let's go ahead. So slicing allows you to do very interesting things. You can start with a box here. Always start with a box. Right? And now we can start slicing this. So this is a slice that I want to make. And to fully visualize it, I'm going to continue it to the other side of the box. Now, if I want to make it easier for myself, I might draw internally within the box here. So I see it as a transparent object. And now I can extend my slice all the way to the back, like so, to find what is essentially a cross section. Right? After I've done that, I would like to then see if I can visualize each one of my objects individually. So this is the slice that I sliced from the box. And this right here is the other slice. And you can go ahead and you can do the same thing here. Maybe you get a slice like that. If you pull it out of the box, we start visualizing what it would look like from another angle, like this, for example. In slicing, if you have questions, feel free. And I want to show you just how powerful slicing can be as a technique when you construct things. And I want to combine it with something that I always say in my live streams that I want to say officially here in the lesson as well. I always say that you need to learn your profiles, right? And the reason has to do a lot with slicing. So if I know that a car's profile looks like this, let's go. And I know a little bit about slicing. I can go ahead, create this box. Hey, Freddie, yes, it's all about the cubes. I can go ahead and create this box. And now anything that I know the profile of, I can project onto the side plane of any box